It really doesn't matter what you say in a boardroom presentation. What matters is after you leave the boardroom, what do people in that boardroom remember or what you said? Memory is an important part because if they don't remember what you said, they can never act upon it. Welcome to Thank God It's a Story Saturday, a weekly video series where I share stories with you that you can use to make your messages connect. Today's story is from Made to Stick by Dan and Chip Heath, where they talk about this experiment Chip Heath did in a Stanford University class. He said that he told the students to give a 1-minute speech on crime using statistics that he had just shared with them. He said students started to come on and give that 1-minute speech. Roughly about a typical student used about 2.5 statistics, and only 1 in 10 students told a story. So stories was like really little, and the average of the statistics was much higher. In the second part of this experiment, Chip Heath asked for a recall. He asked people, how many of you remember the statistics that were shared in the presentations that people did? And only 5% of the students could remember the statistics. But guess what? 63% could remember the story. Stories are naturally memorable because they have a combination of a feeling, an emotion, and a place in them. Those things naturally go into our memory. So when you get up and you present and you don't have a story and only statistics, you're going to walk out, people are going to forget, and even if they have agreed with you, they will not align with you. Stay storied, and I'll see you here next Saturday with another story.